Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Max Mike Videos here on YouTube, and to my wonderful friends here at Wealthy Affiliate. A few weeks ago, someone asked me how to make a video on how to add your site into Google Search Console, which is here. And I did the steps, but I want to show this how it's done real quick so you have an idea how to add your site to the Google Search Console. Now here we are inside of Wealthy Affiliate, and welcome everyone. If this is your first time, if you watch this video, welcome to Wealthy Affiliate. As you can see, I already got some credits here for my content, and I will make this video real short. I won't make it too long, but I just want to show you how to add your site into Google Search Console, basically to add your site maps. And I have a site open here. We're going to add it to this site, which is my tutorial site on my MaxMac domain. And this is where I'm going to share all the videos and trainings for those that are new to affiliate marketing, those are looking to do content marketing or digital marketing. So here we are inside of my back office, or the back end of the WordPress website, and we're going to go to the all-in-one SEO plugin. If you don't add this plugin, you can go ahead and add it. Just go to plugins, add new plugins. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to type in all-in-one, search, and this is our plugin here. It's our first one. I have an update here, so I'm not going to do an update right now, but we have an update. You can also set your plugins to auto update. Let's see, all mine's here, and mine are not set to auto update. To auto update, we're just going to hit here, and we're going to press enable auto updates, and I'm going to hit update. I'm just going to update these while I'm here, and just going to update these plugins. Says hopefully goes okay. That one is gone. There's all-in-one security plugin here. I have it installed, but I haven't used it yet. And here's another one that we have. We have SEO framework. This is one I believe that they're using inside of a Wealthy Affiliate. They're using both, but I believe this is the new SEO framework that they're using right now. You can get the Sitemap from this as well, but we're gonna do the all-in-one SEO Sitemap. So I'm gonna go into all-in-one SEO plugin here. I'm gonna go to Sitemap. I'm gonna click on here, and I'm gonna make sure Sitemap or enable Sitemap is open, which it is. I'm just going to hit press it once it says open the sitemap. And I'm going to copy this link here. So here's a link. I'm just going to copy this link. Copy this link. Then I'm going to jump over to Google Search Console. All right. And we're going to add a property. So the property is already here. It's going to add a property. Add a property here. I'm going to type in the domain here. So my site is tutorial, so https://.com. It might say it's already here, so let's see what it does. It's already here, so we can go to property. And what we're going to do here, we're going to go to sitemaps, where your sitemap is here. I'm making so we have two sitemaps here. I'm going to just, where it says add a new sitemap, I'm going to just right click on my mouse and hit add. I'm going to hit submit. Successful. And it's going to accept and be successful already there. So that's basically it. That's all you do. You add your site to Google Search Console, adding a sitemap. We're using the all-in-one SEO plugin that we have here, and that's about it. That's how easy it is to add your website, your WordPress website, into the Google Search Console, where you can track your traffic and so on and so forth. You can see everything that's going on with your site, errors and so on and so forth. We can check performance. We can inspect URLs, pages. I don't have much on this site yet. We can check pages. We can see. Right, we have one page index, looking pretty good. Then the more you add content to this site, the more you have some items not indexed and so on and so forth. But this video is going to be on the tutorials website, and you can go and watch it there, or you can watch it right inside of Wealthy Affiliate. I will add it to my blog, and you can watch it from there. You can go to YouTube and watch it from YouTube as well. So again, that's how easy it is to add your site to the Google Search Console. We can check, you can do an overview of your site, or it's performing, the performance, indexing, experience, and enhancement. You can check the performance of everything, how it's been going, average position 5.3, average click-through rate, impressions, clicks. As you can see, there's almost nothing on the site. Pages, which country they're coming from, devices like mobile, desktop, search appearance, like where you're appearing. We can go to do pages again. We can see it's covered pages and the site that we just entered. This one, I'm going to delete this one here. Actually can't remove it. Not sure why. Removals, nothing to remove. You know, so we can see everything that's going on with our site. So it's important to add your site to Google Search Console. I'm sure there's an training here for this as well. Just go to the search here and just type in sitemap, and you probably should see a couple of videos about, you know, sitemap, having GTP right sitemap, so on and so forth, and go master excellent sitemaps. But again, if you're watching my video, awesome. And here we have Kyle has a video here talking about the rules of SEO, making search engine loves your site. So we can see he's talking about the meta tags, and let's click through this here. We can see he's talking about meta tags, and let's see, he's what's covered in this lesson: understanding the importance of getting indexed, grasping the essentials of on-page and off-page SEO, setting up Google Site Kit, console, and so on and so forth, create one articles and your hub and publish. So we can see Kyle have a lesson here on how to do this. Thanks for watching my video and how to quickly add your site into Google Search Console using the all-in-one SEO plugin, and have your site ready to go so you can see what's going on with your website. Again, thanks for watching, and hopefully come and just say hello. Peace out.